Whenever there's major panic in the market, stocks, cryptos are being sold off. It is always important to maintain some level-headedness by watching the charts and relying on the charts. So right now we are seeing US markets are down over the last couple of days, in fact down significantly. And not only the stocks, we can see also the cryptos. For example, Bitcoin down. If you take a look at the charts, you can see the S&P 500 is off the highs of late 2021 and has been down since. Right now, the question is, are we gonna go back to test the lows? Or is the market playing games and the next major trend is actually not gonna be down to test the lows or make fresh lows, but actually to move higher? If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we can see, yes, it is off the highs of, let's call it November of 2021, and it's down significantly since then. The question now becomes, are we gonna be making a fresh move to fresh lows? Or is the market eventually gonna move higher? Now, if you take a look at the long-term picture from the S&P 500 over the last 13 years, since the lows of 2009, you'll notice that the major lows have come around RSI 50. Now, you can see this also happening in 2011. It happened in late 2015, early 2016. All of these were major re-entries. Late 2018, of course, we know the lows of 2020, and recently we bounced back above this level, RSI 50. So, unless this level breaks, we can assume that month to month there is a possibility that the market is playing games, because if we move back above RSI 50, believe it or not, it suggests that the next major trend in the market won't be lower, but actually would be to test recent all-time monthly highs. Yes, there is a possibility that if the market can hold current levels, now the scenario of going back to fresh all-time highs comes back in play. Now, having said all that, remember, if we are going to go into a major bear market, then this simple RSI lows line that goes back to 2009, connecting the lows of 2020 and recent lows for 2022, if this line is broken to the downside, then yes, we are going into a major serious bear market. Visually, if that happens, we are going down significantly. But remember, if we hold this area, chances are we are bouncing, and we're going to bounce significantly, potentially going back to fresh all-time highs.